The most important event in the history of cryptocurrency is coming up very soon, and major institutions could be FOMOing into this asset class in a major way with not only billions, but possibly trillions of dollars. And a lot of institutions are ready to potentially go all in on this new asset class as it has been emerging massively over the last decade. Goldman Sachs is on this list of people very bullish on crypto. And today, I want to share some updates with you guys on some of the comments Goldman Sachs made and some of the moves that they might be making towards investing as this Bitcoin Spot ETF is set to launch as soon as next week. Guys, you're going to want to watch this one till the end. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today, I'm talking to you guys about some very big stories with some very big players in this market you're not going to want to miss. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and look at Bitcoin today. We are moving up. It is a Sunday. This is the weekend. Weekend is usually lower volatility, though lately we've seen some big moves on the weekends, and Bitcoin is right now priming upward. Up 3% over the last 7 days after a very, very big spooky dip to some. Big liquidations occurred around the speculation that's been going on around this upcoming Spot Bitcoin ETF that is set to launch. And the price of Bitcoin is creeping up because people do believe that major institutions are about to FOMO into this asset class for the first time because they have a trusted vehicle, a trusted avenue really, to invest in crypto through a spot ETF, which is going to get launched in the traditional markets for big time players to finally get a position. Goldman Sachs, this is a great article here. Goldman Sachs expects crypto market to explode in 2024 as traditional institutions enter. This was written on January 1st. This is the new outlook for the year. According to Matthew Dermond of Goldman Sachs, you will see institutions mature digital assets by scaling proprietary blockchains in 2024. Guys, we've talked a lot about layer one solutions on this channel, and Bitcoin is a actual layer one solution. Now people are building programmable applications on Bitcoin through layer two solutions, aka stacks, the layer 2 solution for the Bitcoin blockchain, the programmable layer for Bitcoin. You also have Ethereum, where people can build on Ethereum. When they're talking in this article about proprietary blockchains, they're talking about building up more Ethereums, more Bitcoins, possibly those assets, possibly competing ones. You've seen Solana explode this year. You've seen a variety of different tokens explode from Avalanche to Solana, you name it, guys, SEI. There's been so many that have been moving lately, layer 1 and layer 2 solutions. There is no doubt in my mind that massive investment is going to come into this space, and not just to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's absolutely going to explode because of this. First off, they're going to invest in the spot ETF. And then as they realize how lucrative this market is and how attractive this market is for other investments to be had, again, we've talked about different islands, different currencies, different blockchains being different islands. On those islands, people are building infrastructure. I believe that players like Goldman Sachs, like BlackRock, are over time going to continue to invest in that infrastructure being built on these blockchains, as well as other blockchains that are coming up in the future. But these are some of the comments that Goldman Sachs is making, right? They expect this market to absolutely explode and become a multi-trillion-dollar market cap, even more so than it has in the past. We've already seen the overall market cap of crypto in the previous bull cycle hit $3 trillion. We expect it to go much higher than that in this bull cycle. People like Chris Marszalek, the CEO of Crypto.com, have come out in the last year, actually in the last couple of weeks, and said a $10 trillion market cap for this asset class would not be out of the question, and I strongly believe that as well. Now, what you need to know, guys, is the SEC is getting very, very close to a spot Bitcoin ETF launch. There's two pieces that are very important. One are these 19B4 amendment filings. Those are done. Those have been submitted officially as people are preparing on the 10th of January. That is the key deadline here. It could make or break the market. If it doesn't launch, it could set some fear out on the market and people could say, oh, it's postponed. Is Gary Gensler not going to approve it? I could see that happening, but I'm not speculating here on the short term. I'm speculating on the long term, guys. First of all, cryptocurrency has 4-year cycles. It tends to go up every 4 years because of the Bitcoin halving. Now we've got an ETF coming. People can start investing in these proprietary blockchains, as you see Goldman Sachs speaking about. And now we've got an ETF set to launch next week to begin the year. this could be absolutely huge. Now, the next step after these 19B4 documents is a very key move. It's going to be these S1 documents. But S1 documents must be completed in order for U.S. exchanges to begin listing shares of investment securities with direct exposure to crypto. So we're going to need to see these S1 documents come possibly Monday, hopefully Tuesday, so then we can get an approval on Wednesday, and maybe we could see some trading start on the Spot Bitcoin ETF on the 11th, which would cause a massive explosion. And this is a massive explosion that Bitcoin might need to get in on. Maybe not all in, but they are certainly very eager for cryptocurrency, guys. You see the statements that they're making. It's going to be a very bullish 2024. They're talking about investing in proprietary blockchains. They are investing in the future of crypto. Obviously, it's not going to be the main part of their business, but Goldman Sachs reportedly wants in on the Bitcoin ETF hype, and they are looking to be an authorized participant for BlackRock and Grayscale Bitcoin ETFs. And this is being reported. Guys, this is very good to hear. Very good news if you've been holding cryptocurrency, if you're buying cryptocurrency right now, if you're thinking about buying cryptocurrency. The institutions have the most money in the world, and when they flow into this market, the retail investors that were there first, the ones that have been watching this channel, watching our live streams Monday through Friday, just trying to stay up to date with the market open, with what's going on day to day, I think that those folks are best poised to have some success in this next bull cycle, especially as institutions come in and we have more money flowing into this space than ever before. Looking at the price of Bitcoin today, we are currently breaking back out of this very key wedge that you saw on my thumbnail, going down to the 4-hourly candle. You can see we're breaking out of this wedge. We got to get back above this $44,400 price level. If we can do that, then we're back up into that $44,800 range to about $45,900, really. And if we can break above $46,000, we are back into price discovery mode for the year, right? We are back to the yearly highs, new yearly highs at the beginning of a new year, keeping some great momentum for this asset class. Now, if Goldman Sachs and these other large players truly do get invested in this, and we see them just buy, right? A lot of people are afraid of a buy the rumor, sell the news event. And I myself am going to remain cautious that that is a possibility because I do believe that large whales like to play some gains. But when you do think about it, people that are running investment funds with BlackRock and people from Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan and all these people that are interested in crypto, doesn't really strike me as the type of people that are going to be doing a crazy amount right out of the gate, you know, absolutely explosive amounts, right? They're not going to go all in right away, but they're going to start layering into this. And the reality is they're probably just going to be focused on accumulation, in my opinion. But we could see some short-term volatility. So keep an eye on this, guys. Key targets is a breakout past 46,000 to the downside, guys. If we come back down at a $40,000 range after this news comes out, then, you know, we might be due for some more downside. We don't really want to come back down below this week. Hopefully this was just a liquidation grab trying to wreck some greedy longs, which unfortunately happens, guys. Leverage trading can be a fantastic tool, but it can also be very dangerous. If you do want to access your own leverage trading opportunities, you can do so using the link. We have a referral link for Femex in the description down below. There's some free money when you sign up, but guys, that is for experienced traders only. There is a lot of hype around this news coming out, guys, and there will be a lot of volatility, but it can be very dangerous. So please be careful, guys. That's all I got for you today. Goldman Sachs getting very interested in Bitcoin and crypto alongside the other largest financial institutions on earth, getting ready for a Bitcoin ETF in 2024. Guys, very exciting. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. If you like the content, smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Turn on that notification bell. And as always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.